I seek to be in relation with the forest. We need to be attentive to these different dimensions of the forest and its changes over time, and then our participation in the world with the forest.
The forest has become my cathedral, a spiritual place.
We at World Forestry Center see ourselves as a social change organization, making forests a new social priority. This exhibition, Following Fire, brings together an artist and a scientist to study the health of forests. We hope this exhibition will invite more people to the forestry conversation, as wildfire and our forests affect everyone and everything.
Following Fire is about circumstances within the holiday farm fire of Labor Day 2020. 173,000 acres of forest land was burned, but also about 450 homes. David brings an artist's attention to form and color, and I bring a more natural history, scientist type interest in the physical and ecological processes that brought the forest to the condition it's in today, and that will influence where it goes in the future. So we have these differences, but they've been exciting to sort of blend and learn from one another.
I was standing in front of these trees that had lined the banks of the McKenzie for a couple of hundred years, and I realized I wanted to make portraits of these trees as individuals. The first picture of canopy, I looked up and I saw these branches curling upward and inward, and I felt immediately a sense of a self-embrace.
The chronosequence of going to the same place in a regimented manner over time, watching the changes that the forest is delivering to us, has been also quite stunning. It's much more of a sciencey, techno kind of thing, but it's expressing the dynamism of the forest.
We've been working with the artists over the last few months to develop a special part of the exhibition unique to the World Forestry Center mission. It deals with community landscapes and not just forest landscapes.
Examples of resilience and uncertainty in the town of Blue River. I spent time driving through the town, looking at things to me that represented both resilience in the way that we saw resilience in the forest, i.e. rebuilding homes, rebuilding playgrounds, and uncertainty, starting a building project and then leaving it, abandoning it. Fire is not the end of a forest. It's one point on a long continuum.
The key point is the story comes together in the subtitle of our project: a resilient forest or community in an uncertain future, from the point of view of the forest and a point of view of humans living in or near those areas. To be comfortable in the forest, to learn from it, to respect it, and tend to its well-being through learning about it and sharing that knowledge